My name is Andrew. I come from a little company called Civil Connections here in Copenhagen. We do services around IT proliferation in rural places that are rarely reached by the current configurations, the current proliferations. But I have a background in development work. I've been working with civil society organizations for more than 15 years. And when I came to Denmark, I started studying IT tech, and I saw a big gap between the people I worked with in relation to the ease of access of ICTs in a country like Denmark. So I decided to start this company to do exactly that, close the gaps. I heard about the Adobe Tech Comm event 2018 in my browser, actually, in my inbox. I'm signed up for the newsletter, so it came up. I perused the newsletter and I saw the advert. I thought, oh, that was a great idea, and especially in relation to my company ambitions. So I have, it's been an amazing opportunity to be part of this Adobe conference 2018, and I've learned a lot of new things. I mean, I've read about FrameMaker before, and I knew kind of a small idea on what it does, but I didn't really know its wide range of functionality and its possibility for working with other platforms and integration with other ways of using it. So I think that's interesting. And then of course when you hear what other people have been using FrameMaker for and what they've integrated it with, and especially when you hear people talking in extended variations about, for example, augmented reality and a combination of different methodologies, 3D and context information into augmented reality based on an Adobe framework platform. That's interesting. That's an interesting technology, I think. The best part of the event, I find it difficult to choose because it was kind of new. I've read about it, but it's new to hear its usability, extendability, and so already the first session, the motivation for technical documentation and bringing your information out there in very sophisticated ways, the graphics, the coloring, and etc. That was really interesting. But I think overall, the best part of the event was the motivations from some of the people that came to showcase their work. Explore, one of the I don't really remember the name, but they talked about how they are using this in augmented reality. I thought that was really cool, and of course the motivation in relation to XML and as a way of content production and presentation on the other side. That was really interesting. I do not have access to the software yet. I would love to purchase a license. So what I go back with now is a thought in my mind to try it, with the possibility to try it for 30 days as we assess our company strategy, how we will use it, because it needs to sit in with our strategy. If it's going to be something we implement now, we implement in 6 months, or we implement in 1 year. So it's something we take back to discuss. But certainly, it's with the promise of extendability and integration, integrability. I think it's a cool software to sign up a license for.